In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete a repeating event in iPhone calendar. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to open up Calendar app. Then we need to search for an event. We can easily do so because all the days with an events marked with that gray dot. And if we tap at some day, it will show us all the events in that day. Here I got that new event, and actually this event is repeating. If we tap right here at edit, it says that this event repeats daily every 3 days. And if you would like to delete that event on the event card, all we have to do is just tap right here at delete event. I'm gonna show you one more time. Just enter a day, then tap at event, and then tap at delete event, and after that you will be asked, are you sure you want to delete this event? This is a repeating event, and you will be able to select one of two options: delete this event only, or delete this event and all future events. I'm gonna tap at that option, and basically now, as we can see, all the repeated events has been removed. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.